Well, using internet these days is really limited. You have limited access, your government bans certain uses of the internet, or you simply cannot access country-specific contents. Moreover, your ISP has the permission to track, store, and sell browsing data. So, to solve almost every issue of the internet, we can use a VPN to create a secure and encrypted tunnel between your computer or your mobile device to the remote server. We have tried a lot of VPNs so far, but CyberGhost VPN stands out among the rest, and it is perfect for almost everything we use VPNs for. First and foremost, I really appreciate the wide support of CyberVPN. It is available for Windows, macOS, iOS, Android, Fire TV, and even routers. Personally, I've installed it on my MacBook Pro and my phones. The app is really easy on the macOS. Here we have a small ghost icon on the menu bar which you can click to turn on the VPN, and additionally you can change the VPN location and expand the app to see the full list of all servers. Here the servers are also categorized to your favorites or the best available servers for downloading and streaming. The list of servers also shows the distance to the server, load percentage, and the number of users connected. So this additional information really helps you pick the best server for you. You also get additional features to block ads, malicious websites, online tracking, and so on. Additionally, you can also set the smart rules for Wi-Fi actions. Whereas on the iOS version of the app, you have a similar UI with a toggle to turn on the VPN. You can also change location or reset to the best available location. It even lets you change the Wi-Fi actions and customize the usability from its settings. Similarly, on the Android version, you have the same look and feel of the app with some additional features like Wi-Fi protection, ad blocker, and other options for a secure internet. And now talking about the features of CyberGhost VPN. The best thing about this VPN is that you can have access to geo-restricted content. Normally, because of the way licensing works, streaming services often limit certain content, so that they can only be watched in a particular country. Netflix, of course, is one of the most popular, and you will find that there are different shows available in the US compared to other countries. To watch them, you will need a subscription, naturally, but with CyberGhost, you can connect to a US server optimized for streaming, and those shows will be instantly unblocked. Similarly, CyberGhost also supports HBO Now, Hulu, Amazon Prime Video, NBC, Showtime, and many more. Plus, you also have unlimited access to more than 3,800 servers in 60 plus countries. You also get protection on public Wi-Fi. Because public Wi-Fis don't tend to be password protected, the connection is not encrypted. But if you use CyberGhost, your connection becomes encrypted and secure. CyberGhost also has a strict no-log policy, so your browsing data will not be kept. And on top of that, the company is headquartered in Romania, which means that it isn't located in one of the so-called 14 Eyes, a group of countries that often shares intelligence with each other. But you're safe with CyberGhost. And finally, CyberGhost is also a very trustworthy company, as it is the first VPN company to publish a transparency report detailing how many requests from the police it received, stats on the server, and other information about how it operates. Overall, this VPN has served me well, with its excellent interface, easy setup, straightforward options, and also the virtually connected network feels fast with minimal lags. And the best thing is the pricing of the VPN also won't hurt your wallet. And I'm sure our viewers, especially from India and Europe, will be needing a VPN because of the banning of PUBG and TikTok in India and Article 13 passing in the EU. So it is certainly a great choice to download CyberGhost VPN. Normally you only get 1 month and 1 device plan, but if you follow the link in the description below, you will have a special deal with 79% off from the monthly price and subscription for 7 devices. So I will be leaving all the links in the description below, so do check it out. So that was it for this video, guys. Do leave a thumbs up if you liked it, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon if you don't want to miss out on some more upcoming content. And as always, thanks for watching. This is Saman signing out.